Okay, I'm Sadhvi and I'm part of our zoo and Amitabh's team. And we have been working on making that place beautiful because it's so hostile and rough. So, our intention was to basically beautify that place first so people feel like coming there and then probably interact with them about the changes that place has gone through. So, part of one move, what Amitabh did there was he painted one of the pillars and he made these really huge feet which was almost like come step in that space. And then what I did was I stretched out threads from top of the pillar to the end so that we could weave inside that with colorful fabric, because it's so dull, it's so gray, dusty, black, white. There isn't much color there and there's so much noise that it's almost, it gives you headache. So we thought that okay, if we add some color and we almost make it like a tent where people could come and sit and interact with us about what they feel about the place, we would be able to do that. But I just saw that the threads are broken, so I was just wondering that what do you need, like even beautiful people, beautiful things people are going to break apart, what is it that takes so that people don't pull apart things or people don't screw up the space like that? So since the threads are pulled apart, I want to try out doing the same thing but using a different material which is difficult to break apart. For example, the thick plastic ropes, which is really difficult to cut or even unknot them. And probably next time when I go, I just want to weave one entire stretch so that people see that there is a lot more that has happened, and probably my intention is they'll think more than 5 times before they do anything to it. So maybe change the material and do more weaving in one go itself rather than leaving it for the next move, because that will also, I think, impact, will leave some impact on people to see that another thing, same thing has come up but in different material or aesthetic sense.